Hello everyone, I'm Brut Code. I'm a 14-year-old developer. Welcome to Brut Code, and in this channel you learn Web3 coding from a 14-year-old guy. Hello everyone, you're watching Brut Code, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can find a job in crypto. If you are a beginner and if you are an advanced developer, this will be the same for everyone. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. So I have opened up my browser over here. I'll just close this, and the first site for today is crypto jobs. So this is a job site like LinkedIn and Fiverr, all that, but this is crypto specific jobs are listed over here. So for example, you can see here, you can view the latest web3 jobs over here. So if you are a senior web3 developer, you could apply for senior solidity engineer, and you could also configure the full-time, remote, or other personalities, other parameters. So if I just search here for let's say consensus. So if you don't know consensus is a leading web3 space. And okay, so there's some network blockage, and yeah, it's loading. So there is currently only one job listed over here for consensus, which is a senior product designer. If you go inside, you can view its details. You see here 47 applicants, and it is 1514 days ago, means this is over 2 or 3 years. So you can hear the about the you can read about the job section. Is a venture production studio and leading technology firm in blockchain globally, and you can read about the role over here, and the how the company is related to crypto. Senior product. So what you will be doing in the job: develop storyboards, prototypes, and high fidelity visual design. So basically they are searching for a front-end developer, I think so, or something like a UI UX developer. And here is the experience. So you should have at least 6 years of working as a product designer in some other country. So this is for people who already have some job in the web 2 space, and already are a product designer, and already know how to build that dashboards and everything. So here you can see you have to solve complex problems, and you could also subscribe for the newsletter over here. So that's something to remember. Bonus points: you'll be experienced working as a part of remote team, and blah blah blah. Demonstrated interest in Ethereum. So you will be interested in smart contracts, Ethereum, and crypto economics. So you could apply over here, and it is negotiable. So you could specify your job range. So this is crypto jobs. You could search here. Now I've searched through company name. You could also search through part-time or full-time. So this website is just a little lagging. Just a second. And yeah, we are back. So next we can search here as part-time, and you could also input the locations. So let's say India. So it will search for part-time jobs in India, and again it's a little laggy, and there are none. So if I just remove India, and if I just search, there are no part-time jobs. And if I remove part-time and I just search India, so there are no part-time jobs listed on crypto jobs. Okay, so let's see. This website is actually a little laggy. Yeah, so there's this institutional sales manager, 143 applicants, and over here. So if I just go inside, it's in India, South Korea, and Russia. So Huobi group, and this is same from inside about the job responsibilities and requirements, etc. Now this is for crypto jobs. Let's move on to cryptocurrency jobs. So this was crypto jobs, this is cryptocurrency jobs. So you could see the leading job board for blockchain jobs and cryptocurrency jobs. So this website's UX is a little eye attracting, and you could click on find a job, and you could search for jobs, or you are suggested over here. So if you are interested in Ethereum tokenomics, you can go to Nethermind. Their group is really nice, and you could also join their Discord if you want to give them some feedback. So that's something to remember. Here, Web3 developer, part-time contract. So this is a nice job. And so for beginners, we could search here part-time. If we search, so yeah, this is full-time and this is part-time. So there are two versions of this job. And then content writer. So okay, I think I clicked on it, and there's this. So these are all part-time jobs. You don't have to work full-time. So like 2-3 hours or 20 hours per week. So Web3, say this is the first job: DeFi researcher, content writer, lead community manager, remote software developer, collaboration manager, graphic designer, illustrator. So let's just also search for let's just search for Solidity. So we could search Solidity developer, 22 blockchain jobs. It is full-time, it is full-time, full-time, full-time. So these are currently full-time. These all are full-time. For beginners, instead of part-time or Solidity, let's just search intern. So internship program is something like, okay, so here we are, business developer intern, marketing intern. So Nethermind's internship program, this is quite popular and people have applied to it. It is paid program. Yeah, it is paid program, and you could apply anytime. It is 1 to 3 months. So if you are a total beginner, you can apply to this. You will be learning Solidity smart contract development from here, and you would also be employed in this only company. So this is somewhat like you would also you would learn from a school and you would become a teacher in the same school. So this is what internship means. And then we have some advanced stuff. So if you want to apply here, you could apply here easily. And then Solidity audit, so you could be an auditor, Solidity auditor, etc. PhD internships. So this is a very huge list. And yeah, so it is a trusted a trusted so yeah, intern, it is a trusted program. So let me just, yeah, it come here. So yeah, Polygon, so you could be technical research intern. So you could research a smart contract. You could write papers on its functioning, and you could also learn it and work for Polygon. So if you don't know Polygon is a layer 2 chain which works upon Ethereum, and which brings scalability to Ethereum ecosystem. And the gas fees are quite low on this. So open jobs. So if so now what I did is, instead of being a technical research intern, I went to the company. So if I go in Polygon, I could view the open jobs of Polygon. So you could see here technical research intern, and you could join the community. So website, Twitter, Discord, etc. So UI UX developer. So there is currently no Solidity developer job over here, so this is not for us. You could also post a job on here, and you could also search locations. So this is quite similar to crypto jobs, but it is, I think, a little UI specific. There are 608 blockchain jobs that are in India, so that is quite nice. DevOps and test engineer, smart contract engineer. So this is something that you could see here. Also, you can see here the salary is listed over here, and it is featured 1 day ago. So these are quite new, and you have the chances of getting selected. So this let's move on to the third website. This is crypto jobs list, and this is similar to cryptocurrency jobs. And basically this is another platform where you could search you search topic oriented jobs like NFT. And you could see here the jobs related to NFTs. So Doodles, Zerion, and if you just search for Solidity, you see here Solidity full time, and you can also view the applicants. So there is a high chance of getting a job over here. And you could also search India again. So there are currently no crypto Solidity jobs in India, but if I search for Web3, there are, okay, India. And there's this Coinbase job, which is remote. And job description, we have Coinbase is another big ecosystem in the Web3 space. And you could learn about the job over here, etc. So that was all for these 3 websites. If you have reached until here, please subscribe to my channel, and if you are interested in jobs, please leave down a comment and I will be sure to reply. And hit the bell icon to receive updates like this from me. And now comes the bonus part. So for now I'll just close these websites. And bonus part is Edenver Bootcamp. So if you don't want to apply for a job, and you want to instead learn Solidity, so if you want to be like you want to be a solo hacker, and you want to learn first and then apply for a senior job, you could apply for this bootcamp. So currently this bootcamp is open. And if you want to reserve your seat, you have to apply fast, really fast. And this is September 26th. Today is October 1st, so this is quite new. I've already applied to this. This is a free 8 week coding bootcamp, so it is free bootcamp. You'll be receiving a certificate on this. So I've already read. You can apply for the bootcamp here. So here a form will pop up. And Edenver is the largest Web3 build hackathon. So Edenver is a hackathon, in case you don't know. So here is the form for the applicant, but I have already applied to it. You could ask the questions over here. So this is something that you may be interested in, and which can attract all the beginners. So this was all for Edenver Bootcamp. Now moving on to the second bonus, we have Eth India, which is Asia's biggest Ethereum hackathon, which is in Bengaluru on December 2nd. And this is basically a event where all the leading developers of India will meet, including all of the, so you can see here the names: Kartik Talwar and Sandeep Nelwal, and Molly McKinley, Joanne Bennett. And they also claim that Vitalik.b is going to come for this. So you see here so here are the questions: who can participate? Everyone is welcome to participate. When will the applications close? On 31st October. So today is October 1. You still have a month, but I suggest applying it right away, because I think the seats are filling really fast. And you should for applying this, you should have a DevFolio account. Once accepted, you will have 4 days to confirm your presence at the hackathon. So if I open up my DevFolio, so I have already applied over here. I'll just close this, and my application is under review. And I have already shared this link on Twitter. In case you didn't get, please check my Twitter. So that was this. And for that, another thing, so you can bring a government issued ID, laptop, phone, chargers, sleeping equipment, etc. And there are also these questions: can you apply a team? How much does it cost? 0. So this is basically a free event. You just admission to Eth India is entirely free. So Eth India is sponsored by let me see, sponsors. So yeah, partners are Polygon, IPFS, Filecoin, and yeah, those two are the major sponsors. Bioeconomy is also a sponsor. So these three are well known. And then we'll provide you with weekends worth of swag. So all you need to do is you just need to reach Bengaluru, and if you're selected for if your application is accepted, you just have to go to Bengaluru, and the rest of the things are free. Only the transport is your responsibility. So you see a never stop building. That's the motive. Next, the venue, Karnataka Trade Promotion Organization. So this is actually cool. If you're in India, and if you want, so this is basically a very big event in India. Polygon and IPFS Filecoin has already sponsored this, and there are people like Sandeep Nailwal and Karthik Talwar for this event. So that is very nice, and you could apply now over here. So you need a devfolio account, as I said, and I have already applied over here. So if I just close this side, my application is under review. I have already submitted the applicant's application. So here is my application details, and I would like to see you all over there. And that was all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please subscribe to my Twitter if you haven't already. So here is my Twitter channel. And on my Twitter, I post you can see here, register now and apply to be a part of Eth India 34 minutes ago. So I had actually when I had applied, I had posted it here. So I applied on September 28th. Today is October 1, so 3 days ago, I think. I applied 3 days ago, and today I have resent it just for this video. And then for see here, so I have applied to this bootcamp also. So for these kinds of job updates and bootcamps, please follow me on Twitter, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And that was all for this video. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.